Okay, so let me start the um, Hadoop daemons. Start all.sh. So we'll try one Sqoop export example. So from HDFS directory. So we'll take this data. HDFS. Okay. Actually, this was having one row from this address. Let's take another. No, not this. Okay. We'll export this data to the MySQL table. Okay, the new MySQL table we created, right? So we'll take this path as the HDFS path. So let's come to the export. Okay, this is and you have to provide the table name. Provide the table name as order details external. Let's run this. It's generating the again the map reduce job. Okay, it says 6 records as exported. Yeah, we got 6 rows in the MySQL database table. Okay, this is how the export happens. There is one more property called uh, export DER is fine. There's update key and update mode. Another column to be used update. Okay, so you can decide whether like to update your, say example, this is for see initially I imported here these 6 rows, right? If the next export, if some of the order is already mostly order generally will not update. Say example, you are loading a customer data. You are loading a customer data to the customer table. If there is some change in the particular customer, okay, then the update has to happen in the RDBMS side. Okay, so if some data is updated in the customer table, if we want to do the update, then you can actually try this property. So one is you have to provide the update column, the update key column, and then mode, either you can use hello insert or update only. Hello insert will actually just uh, insert the row, and if you put update only, then if the key is matches, then it will update. So let's try that. Okay, so this is one. Okay, we'll just create a simple table. Okay. It's a straightforward actually. Export is very this whatever we tried is straightforward. Let me know if you have any queries. Uh, Meanwhile, I'll just create one table. Create a table customer first ID is int and the customer name is care of 100. Care of 100 and customer customer age integer and customer uh, city. I'll just say customer city. Okay, so with that, that's the term. Okay, missed the one thing. Worker of 50. Okay, let's what we'll do is okay, SDFS will keep 3 types of tables. Okay. Let's create here KDR customers underscore one. Okay. Here I'll just say so we have customer ID and say not one, and then customer ID, then customer name, say Shivan, and then age I'll just say 35, and then city. Okay, so I'll just say Chennai. Okay, and customer 102 room, and I'll say 28. Say Bangalore. Okay. I'll just keep these two customers in this. Now I'll create one more. Here we'll say 101 and human customer name. We'll just change the age as 40. Okay, and the city is Chennai. This is basically to try the update. Okay, so let's save this, and we'll have, let's create one more customer, and here we'll have 103 and Arvind, and is from Mumbai, and age is 33 and is from Mumbai, and we'll have 104 John, age is 45, is from York. Okay. So what I will do is I will place this we'll place this in the first, we'll put the first file into this location. Put customers 1.txt. This is the initial node, okay, and then we'll create one more directory, 2, and we'll create 3 as well. So we assume that 2 as a modified record, okay. So the customer 101 is being updated, and we put it in that one more directory, and then 3 is again new records. Okay. Okay, this is done. Now let's do the same thing for the first load. Here we have customer. What is the table name we give? Just customer. And the location is going to be this one. Okay, if the link the meeting disconnects, I use the same link and join back. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll just First initial load will do customer one. From the customer one directory, I'm loading into the customer table. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, this is this exported to two rows. That's what we expect. Now we will take the same thing. We'll do for the customer two, which has basically update. Okay, the initial export and the initial export with update. Okay, now we'll introduce those two properties. One is the update key, which is our customer ID. Steady, and what is the update mode? We'll use update only. Update only. Okay, so let's run this. So ideally, the age is 35. It has to change it to 40, I guess. Oh, it's just okay. Yeah, so it has changed to 40 because that was update only. And now let's try the third one. Is this insert only? Export with insert only. Same command. Only define let's 3 here. And what is the key? The mode allow insert. So this time it is going to do the insert. Let's try one more thing also. This is two records. Yeah, just give me 1 minute. I'm getting one call. Let's try one more scenario. Okay. So this time what we'll do, we'll keep we'll have 4A. Okay, so we have 40104. Okay. I will just create new file with the 4. Now let's modify this. So basically, this is update on the 101 customer. Let's make it as 44, and we'll have one more 105 and say Sam from let's say 34 and is from Florida. Okay, so let's save this and put it here. We'll see what happens if we give update only. Okay. So we have four rows. Let's try that. Update only when we tried.